In this episode, we'll complete the final component of the electrical cabinet, the top panel, and discuss the view range and its purpose. For the top part, all the necessary reference planes for modeling have already been set up. The next step is to use the extrusion tool to draw a rectangle. Align its edges to the reference planes and lock them in place. Switch to the reference level view to adjust the thickness. Notice in view 1, the top part of the cabinet is visible, but in the reference level view it doesn't appear. This issue is related to the view range settings. To adjust this, go to the project browser, click on reference level, then open the properties panel. In the extend section, find the view range option and click edit. Under cut plane offset, you'll see it's currently set to 1,200 millimeters. This means any geometry placed above 1,200 millimeters from the base will not be visible in the reference level view. Since the top of the cabinet is offset at 2,000 millimeters, we need to increase the view range to make it visible. Change the offset from 1,200 to 3,000 millimeters. Then click Apply and OK. Now, the top part of the cabinet should appear in the reference level view. Don't forget to check the family types to make sure there are no errors. And that's it. You've now completed the basic structure of an electrical cabinet. Along the way, we've explored tools and concepts such as parameters, fixed dimensions, and the view range, all essential skills for working on real-world projects. See you in the next episode.